said stem cells में you got from your brother. So what all your brother had to through?
So that's also a very good question. So when doctors told us that, your brother is a match, so he did some blood work. They did some blood work on him, and I don't know what medical testing was done, but it was through blood work, blood transfusion, blood work, and it came perfect. And then uske baad, I remember my mom, she's like, "Isko koi side effects to nahi honge."
Obviously, it
Obviously,
comes to
because
mind. Yeah,
our parents and we don't have knowledge. I had no
yeah,
knowledge about कि stem cell कैसे होता है,
agreed.
transplant कैसे होता है, but I think there have been so much of medical advancement that everything is done so nicely in that way that it's non-invasive right now. So testing was done, and then before my stem cell, he was admitted to the hospital for I think 24 hours or 48 hours because it was COVID, so we were in a separate room.
Yes.
And then from one side they were taking out the blood, and from other side they were taking out the stem cell. So I think the mechanical thing
Mm-hmm.
was there, the medical advancement jo bhi tha, so it was through blood transfusion. And then that whole stem cell thing was given to me through my CVC line, the port line. So I think that was there. I think 24 hours, 48 hours when he was admitted, usko booster injections diye jate the to build his immune system. तो वो दिए गए थे. I think he said that he was in pain for like 24 hours और ऐसा कुछ था. But other than that, he's perfectly fine. I think that's the thing. We don't have knowledge about it.
Yeah.
And abhi recently I did a video for a Gurudwara over there.
Okay.
There was a guy who was 60, 65 plus, and he was looking for stem cell donor. कई बार होता है कि अगर आपको डोनर चाहिए तो आपकी खुद की कम्युनिटी से हो या कलर से हो तो वो ज़्यादा इफेक्ट
अच्छा
करता है.
match है.
सो दे वर लुकिंग फॉर साउथ एशियन पर्सन. तो वहाँ पे एक स्टडी में निकला कि ओनली 8% ऑफ द साउथ एशियन पॉपुलेशन हैज़ डोनेटेड देयर स्टेम सेल्स. And so they wanted to spread awareness about stem cell. So they wanted my journey to be out because I am a living example
Yeah.
that I had a stem cell donor. He was my brother, my color, and now I am perfectly fine. Right. So that's how you can spread awareness. So I think a lot of people, they don't know how you can save someone's life by just donating your stem cells. And India, a lot of people, they don't donate their stem cells, I guess. Over there, वहाँ पे option दिया जाता है when a kid is born.
Yes, preservation का भी
हाँ,
है.
so my brother's stem cell were so nice that they have actually preserved it for 10 another years. कि God forbid अगर मेरा relapse होता है तो they have this stem cell
Stem cell
prepared.
prepared. Yeah.
Yeah.
In India, में stem cell preservation started, but then everybody has so much of मतलब जब baby होता है, then they say ना they
Cord,
preserve the cord and everything. But then still अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग नहीं कराते हैं, thinking it's very expensive, and what if it's needed or if it's not needed. And how nicely they are preparing. Still that कहते हैं ना, it's not trustworthy. उस चक्कर में still a lot of
हो
people
सकता है
are.
because Canada में there's a Canadian Blood Services organization जहाँ पे लोग I think monthly कुछ तो एक होता है उनका I don't know the dates, but they ask people to come and donate their stem cells, especially on those days, so they have it saved. Because जब भी for for example like अगर मेरा भाई नहीं होता, right, I was a single kid, so they could have gone to the global system जहाँ पे ये
Right.
donor ढूंढते.
हाँ.
Because of my case, stage 4, 6 महीने भी लग सकते थे, 8 महीने भी लग सकते थे, and I could have died easily. तो I think वो इसलिए but था क्योंकि मेरा भाई था तो I had my stem cell, donor. But a lot of people, they don't have. So I think why that person has to go through all these things, अगर easily available हो सकता है तो why not? And think about this, that थोड़ा सा आपका stem cell could actually give that person a life.
Yes.
So बाहर US Canada में तो it's very like stem cell drives होती है, सब कुछ होता है, people do that. And I think India में it's very less.
It's very less.
क्योंकि एजुकेशन ही नहीं है, कोई बात ही नहीं करता है, एंड सबके माइंड में ये भी है ओ कहीं इसके स्टेम सेल दे दिए तो उसकी हेल्थ को प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, लॉन्ग टर्म साइड इफेक्ट्स होंगे.
ये सबसे ज्यादा है.
लॉन्ग टर्म साइड इफेक्ट्स होंगे.
कुछ ना कुछ आज नहीं तो बाद में तो निकल के आएगा ही साइड इफेक्ट. ये बहुत ज्यादा है इंडिया में.